How to achieve $100 daily online in 2022. Are you confined to a job that you detest from 9 to 5? Or perhaps I should say that you detest it and detest wasting your time. Are you trying to find a new, simple, and better approach to making $100 every day? Why not conduct it online then? The internet really is the best tool for producing money in the 21st century. This video will expose you to 10 simple methods for making money online, some of which you can master in less than an hour a day. So, let's see what I've got in mind, shall we? Genuine and ingenious ways to earn $100 daily online. 1. Paid surveys. Taking paid surveys is a simple internet side job you can do to earn money quickly. Did you know that there are numerous websites out there that invite you to participate in surveys in exchange for payment? Even though it's not the most lucrative endeavor, since it's so simple and accessible, it's worth a try. Don't be concerned about the authenticity of this source of income. Paid surveys are entirely legal, and hundreds of companies employ them now. The internet enables businesses to connect with people who can give them with trustworthy data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach, and this helps them improve their products and services, as well as develop new ones. Yes, you play a role in this. Giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it is what a paid survey is all about. Simply register, for free, on a website that pays people to take surveys online to start making money. However, watch out for websites that demand payment in order for you to use their surveys. Okay, but how can I tell which websites for paid surveys are trustworthy? Here are some of the top websites I've found for earning additional money via surveys. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is possibly the most well-known paid survey website in the world. You gain Swagbuck points for each survey you complete, which you can then redeem. Exchange for gift cards or cash. Swagbucks also lets you do other things like play games, watch movies, and do web searches. You can make between $2 and $50 on every survey, depending on the one you take and the Swagbucks activity you engage in. Inbox dollars. The amazing thing about Inbox dollars is that it doesn't use the point system, and instead pays you in cash immediately, through PayPal, but also, if you want, through gift cards. In addition to shopping at specific retailers, you can get money by completing surveys, playing games, viewing films, and reading emails. Depending on their length, the surveys on Inbox dollars pay anywhere from 50 cents to $20 and require 2 to 25 minutes of your time. You will receive $5 if you sign up with Inbox dollars. Branded surveys. One of the most well-known survey and market research platforms that pays people for their thoughts is called branded surveys. It's a fantastic opportunity to work from home and earn money while enjoying the convenience of your home. Sign up right away to get started earning right away. Toluna is a paid survey website. It works with major corporations like Coca-Cola, Amazon, Kellogg's, L'Oreal, Sony Music, Fiat, and many more. It's particularly appealing because it enables you to select topics you find interesting. 2. Freelance writing. You should absolutely pursue freelance writing if you have strong writing abilities and can swiftly pick up on a variety of different themes in a short amount of time. You can earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words, but some are less than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you can look for freelance work. Simply registering and declaring your qualifications is all that is required. Some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. These are some of the top freelancing marketplace websites right now if you have strong writing abilities and can learn them all quickly. Upwork. If you've ever tried your hand at freelancing, you've probably heard of Upwork. On this website, you can find many freelance positions in fields like IT, software, web design, graphic design, writing, translation, engineering, and architecture. If you're just starting out, it's an excellent area to look for a freelancing job. For additional information about alternatives to Upwork, go here. Contently. As the name implies, this business, Contently, targets solely freelance writers. By linking authors with leading international brands, Contently operates. This is advised for more experienced writers who have numerous finished projects and at least a few years' worth of professional experience under their belts, because you will need to upload a portfolio in order to sign up for their services. We work remotely. This is another excellent website to look for independent work. It offers remote employment for all levels of technical and literary expertise around the entire planet. Freelancer. An old standby, Freelancer, is where many seasoned independent contractors got their start. Fiverr. It offers a variety of freelancing opportunities, including numerous writing and translation assignments. 3. Post-sponsored content. The definition of sponsored posts is quite obvious. In essence, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, their services, and/or products. You should discuss a product or a brand you like, explain how you use it, and let your readers know how they may benefit from it as well. The niche you write about, how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, who pays you, etc. are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s per post, but if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. 4. Consultation and coaching. Coaching is a fantastic way to make money online, provided you're an expert in a particular industry. If you first put some effort into developing your brand online through your website, this usually works pretty effectively. People will start approaching you on their own once they start to trust you and understand that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. They'll want to know how you got to where you are and how they can use the same strategies for their own startups or well-established businesses. At first, you might feel inclined to offer advice for free, but as more people come to you, you'll be compelled to start charging for appointments. Again, the market you're in will determine how much money you'll make from your sessions. Business coaches make a respectable wage of about $235 per hour, and executive coaches get an even higher wage of $325 per hour. Although less than the coaches stated above, other sorts of coaches, such as life coaches, can earn up to $160 per hour. 5. Google AdSense can earn you $100 each day, but you'll need a website to do it. Google AdSense is a digital advertising platform created by Google for use by bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers who wish to monetize their content using Google's advertising. It's a relatively easy way to make money online. After registering for the program, Google will provide you with an AdSense code, which you must copy and paste onto your website. The end of that. From that point on, Google handles the majority of the labor, and you are compensated for each ad click. Naturally, your niche will have an impact on the performance of your AdSense program. Ads for financial planning, insurance, and online education typically generate more revenue than those for categories like electronics, fashion, retail, cuisine, fitness, and health. Google AdSense is free to join. Furthermore, their requirements for membership are quite flexible, so you can still apply even if your blog or website is brand new. Additionally, they provide a variety of ad formats, including text, rich media, animated images, and video. One AdSense account can be used to run the advertising for multiple websites. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing history on YouTube in order to use AdSense. Finally, avoid clicking on your own ads at all costs. Because if Google finds out, your account will be suspended indefinitely. 6. Design online classes. Similar to coaching, offering online courses requires a deeper knowledge of a certain subject or set of skills. Online courses have emerged as a mechanism for people to continue learning and stay connected due to the need for social seclusion and the general concern the epidemic has sparked. As a result, your expertise is likely to be much more valued today. There are many websites available that can assist you in creating your own online course. The best examples include Udemy, arguably the most popular website for online courses, gives you a sizable platform to showcase your skills and knowledge. Teachable, on this website, you can design your own online courses and provide coaching services. Teachable even provides a free webinar so that you can learn how to get started right away. Skillshare, another fantastic website that caters to both enthusiastic students and online teachers alike, is Skillshare. 7. Make physical goods available online. It's not a bad idea to invest in your craft and attempt to sell your work online if you're incredibly creative, enjoy it as a pastime, and/or are very skilled at it. Whatever it is, there is a spot on the internet for it, whether it be handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, various articles of apparel, mugs, or illustrations. Nowadays, you may sell your handmade goods on a variety of online marketplaces and retailers, including Etsy, Amazon Handmade. Platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, and others enable you to launch your own store at a reasonable cost. 8. Engage in virtual assistance work, VA. As a virtual assistant, you may provide the support that bloggers and owners of internet businesses need. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but it's often a simple job that you can do from home. You can even provide customer service. Your employer's needs will determine the specifics of your job description. In order for business to run properly, you'll take care of whatever your employer requires right now. Therefore, before looking at specific job offers and deciding which ones you want to apply for, you should first assess the industry as a whole and determine whether you want to work there or not. On the same websites that advertise freelance work, some of which are listed in the section on freelancing writing, you can look for VA jobs. 9. Purchase and sell domain names and websites. Yes, occasionally making a lot of money through domain and website trading is possible. Check out Flipper, a service that provides websites, applications, and digital real estate, if you want to look for websites to buy and then sell, like online businesses. In general, trading websites are a reliable source of passive income. How does it function? Well, it is simple. Site owners may run out of time to maintain their website or grow bored and go to something else. You can help with that, especially if you don't want to build a website from scratch. You can generate money from already running advertisements, or you can try to buy a cheaper site and expand it so that you can sell it for more money, or keep it if it makes money for you. The purchase and sale of domains is another concept. Some websites simply have amazing keywords or word combinations, while others grow in popularity over time, whether on purpose or not. Similar to websites, you purchase a cheap domain and later sell it for a higher sum. Namecheap, GoDaddy, Flipper, and Dan.com are a few of the websites that deal in domains. 10. You'll need a website for affiliate marketing, but you can easily make $100 or more every day. Affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to make money online. Some people live off affiliate links since they earn 4, 5, and 6 figures a month. Naturally, how much money you make through affiliate marketing depends on the niche you're working in. just like it does with other forms of paid internet employment and marketing. Some businesses are even willing to pay up to $100 for each conversion. Financial planning, online banking, investing, credit cards, and Bitcoin are some of the niches that pay well for affiliate connections. Aside from technology, there are other affiliate markets that are expanding with time. These markets include health, fitness, nutrition, and, of course, hobbies like travel and photography. One of the most lucrative affiliate marketing markets is web hosting, where businesses pay affiliates up to $500 per sale for each new customer they suggest. If you want to start with affiliate marketing, you must enroll in affiliate programs on the websites of the businesses you wish to work with. Each business will have its own guidelines on how to achieve this and requirements you must meet in order to qualify for their affiliate programs. I hoped you found these suggestions for earning money useful. Who doesn't desire easy money that is obtained legally and fairly, after all? I do, however, hope that you were able to identify a few suggestions that you're eager to test out. In any case, you could at least try one of them out since you have nothing to lose. If you think your friends and family might benefit from watching this video, please let them know. Subscribe to my channel for excellent advice on how to earn money.